Chapter number 5, DBMS, the relation data model and relation database constraint. The relation model concept. The relation model of the data is based on the concept of relation. Informal definition. A relation may be thought of as a set of rows. A relation may be alternative be tough as a set of columns. Formal definitions. A relation may be defined in multiple ways. The schema of relation R A1, A2 and AN. Relation schema R is defined over attribute is A1, A2, AN. Example, customer is a entity name and attribute is customer ID, customer name, address, phone. A tuple is an order set of value. Each value is derived from an appropriate domain. You can see that relation name is student, and attribute is name, SSN, address, age and GPA. Okay, student is relation name and name, SSN, address, age and GPA is attribute, and tuples is a row, one row, second row and third and fourth. Component value of a tuple T by T attribute A1 equal to BI. The value of attribute AI for the tuple T. Similarly, T A1 A2 does AN refers to the sub tuple of T containing the values of attribute A1, A2, AN respectively. Relation integrity constant. Constant are the condition that must hold on all valid relations instances. There are three main types of constants. First is key constants. Second one is entity integrity constant, and third one is referential integrity constant. Key constant, super key of R. A set of attribute Sk is a super key of R such that no number of two tuples in the any valid relation instance R relations will have the same value for super key. For any distinct tuples T1 and T2 in R relations, you can say that T1 is a super key, also T2 is also super key. Key of R, a minimal super key that is a super key K such that removal of any attribute from K result in the set of attributes that is not a super key. You can see that car is a entity set, attribute is license number, engine serial number, model and year. License number is a key attributes. You can say that a primary key or super key, both are engine serial number also. You can say that license number and engine serial number is a super key. Entity integrity. Relation database schema. A set S of relation schema that be the same database. S is the name of the database. S equal to R, R1, R2 and Rn. R1, R2, Rn is relations. Entity integrity, the primary key attributes Pk of the each relation schema R in S cannot have null value in any tuples of R relations because primary key values are used to identify the individual because primary key values are used to identify the individual tuples. Referential integrity. A referential integrity is a constant involving two relations R1 and R2. Tuples in the referencing relation R1 have attribute foreign key Fk, foreign key attributes that reference the primary key attribute Pk of the reference relation R2. A tuple T1 in R1 is set to reference a tuple in T2 in R2 if T1 Fk foreign key equal to T2 Pk is a primary key. Schema diagram for the company relation database schema. Primary key is underlined. You can say that employee is relation 1 R1. Department is R2. Both are relation entity. Employee entity and department entity. Employee is relation R1 and department is relation R2. First one, attribute first name, last name, SSN number, and date of birth, address, sex, salary, and department number. Also department number. Department have a attribute D name, D number, manager SSN number, and manager start date. First, employee SSN number is a primary key, and department D number is a primary key. Both are primary key. Relation R1 primary key is SSN number, and relation R2 department is a primary key. But department number is reference to department number in relation R2 is a foreign key. It is an example of foreign key. How department reference to relation R1. Say that D number primary key equal to D number is foreign key.